If you're looking for a 5-star experience during your next trip to Vegas, well, you may want to head to the end of the Strip. This week, we are staying at the award-winning Wynn Las Vegas. And just when you thought things couldn't get any better, staying at the #1 resort on the Las Vegas Strip, we're actually in the Encore Tower, which is on the same property and is an elevated, luxurious experience that is gonna make your Vegas trip stand out even more. So if you've ever been curious about what it's like to stay in this hotel, we're talking room, we're talking food, casino time, all of it, keep watching this video.
Like Juliana mentioned, this hotel has a lot of awards. It won Best Hotel in Vegas by Travel + Leisure. It's the largest 5-star resort in the world, and both the Wynn and the Encore are the top 2 casinos in the United States, according to Business Insider.
And the whispers amongst message boards online lead us to believe that this bed in our room might be the comfiest bed on the entire Strip. Now, and speaking of beds, let's check out our room.
I wanna know if it's true that it's the best bed. It is good.
In, and this room is so aesthetically pleasing. I mean, it has it all. The big bed, obviously, a fully stocked mini bar. It has a living area. I think this whole room is about 742 square feet. A work area. Like, you will not feel suffocated in here. It is spacious and the views are incredible.
My favorite part is this big screen that it can turn to the bedroom or to the living room area so I can watch my games.
Yes, very convenient for when I'm sleeping over here at 8 o'clock. Now, my favorite part is actually the Alexa. She already is awake. That's in the room. She is extremely helpful.
That's right.
We're gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of what she can provide for you. She's our in-house butler.
That's right. Hey Alexa, open the drapes. Here we go. Appreciate it.
Hey Alexa, play white noise.
Here we go.
She actually did it. Hey Alexa, turn on the lights. That's another thing I love is all the lighting in here. Oh my god. So, it just makes a difference. Oh, I just feel so elevated in this room. Gotta love it. But we have a lot of things to do besides hang out in the room. There is 20 restaurants waiting for us on this property. We got a couple pools, so we can't be here all day. Let's go see what's waiting for us downstairs. Now, the Wynn has amazing customer service. They are known for that. Actually, they have one of the best clubs on this trip. It's called XS. And when we told them we wanted to go there last time we visited, the concierge gave us a business card with a promoter's number on it that we were able to text, get in for free for my sister's 21st birthday. They are very, very attentive and they'll bend over backwards for you. They're always so, so nice. So you can definitely look forward to that on your stay. And in case you're curious, it's super easy to get between the Wynn and the Encore. They're actually connected by this little strip of luxury shops, all of which I could never afford, but super fun to window shop and look inside. we visit here, we love to go to the cafe. There's actually a bunch of different coffee shops around this resort. They're all amazing. They're all so good. And you have to try the cookies here. They're huge and amazing.
Looking at my bed, I only put $15 because I wanted to have fun. But let's see if the Raiders, because we're in Las Vegas, they can do it.
Now we're here at the casino because I have a $25 credit that I need to win myself some money on. I'm here at the Buffalo machine, which is my mom's favorite, so Bonnie, this one's for you. Now the reason I have this credit is actually because I booked a special rate as a Wynn Rewards member. What I learned is that to stay at this hotel, typically it costs like $500 to $900 a night. But if you sign up as a Wynn Rewards member, not only do you get discounts, like we booked our room for $144 a night, which is very good for a 5-star hotel. You also can get credit for the slot machines. You can get resort credit. I think we have a $100 resort credit. And it's a very great way to see Vegas very cheap. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I know it sounds like I'm giving Wynn all the praise in the world, but completely unbiased. I just really love this hotel. Let's see if we can get lucky on this machine. It used all my credit up and now it's being real quiet. After changing machines like 3-4 times, I ended up losing it all. So didn't get lucky here at the Wynn this time. Last time I won like $200, but luck is not on my side this time. Whatever, I've worked up an appetite, let's go eat. Dinner time and I'm hungry.
Very hungry.
Like we mentioned, the Wynn Resort has 20 different restaurant options. There's some more high-end restaurants that are actually some of the best on the strip. The steakhouse here, Sinatra, I've heard amazing things about. And then there's some that are more casual dining, like Wazuzu, which is where we are today. This place is awesome.
That's right, we came over here 6 months ago and we were so surprised for the sushi. It was amazing and we wanted to try it again. Also, this place is a fusion between Japanese, Chinese, and Thai food.
So there's something for everyone here. It's totally worth the wait. They actually don't take reservations, so you'll have to put your name on a list. Usually there's like a, 25 to 45 minute wait.
But you're in a casino. There's plenty of things to do in this 40 minutes that you're waiting.
I ordered the lobster roll and you ordered?
The rainbow roll.
Yum. Last time I had the drunken noodles, which is also amazing, and soups here are good too.
Last time I ordered exactly the same, and I know it's good, so.
Tried and true. After dinner, it is time for drinks and a show. Now, if you guys caught our last video we made in Las Vegas, it was all about things to do in Las Vegas that aren't partying and drinking. And we mentioned a place here in the Wynn actually called the Lake of Dreams. They have a show that happens every day after 7 o'clock. I think it's every 30 minutes. And last time we saw this show, we were inside kind of like looking over people's shoulders. What we found out since then is that you can actually have a drink at the bar called Parasol Up or Down. We're at the down one, the downstairs one, same menu no matter what. And you can actually sit outside and watch the show out here. And what's great is that right now we're here in December. It is like 40 degrees outside. It's very, very cold. Fahrenheit for those of you guys watching in other parts of the world. But these heat lamps that they have here are keeping us warm, which is very nice. They have all sorts of really unique cocktails here. And we're gonna sit around at least to be able to catch the show 1 or 2 times. And like I said, it happens every 30 minutes. Honestly, such a great way to unwind and just reflect on the day. And we are really, really enjoying our time here at the Wynn so far. We had an awesome night hanging around the Wynn.
My favorite part of the day is that I won one bet.
Nice, good for you. And my favorite part of the day was playing the slots even though I lost all my free credits, so that was kind of a bummer. But tomorrow morning, we're super excited. We're going to be going to the brunch buffet at the Wynn. It is the best buffet on the Strip. I don't care what you say. It is so good. And we're gonna actually be making another video about that, so stay tuned for that.
And we're gonna be ready to eat everything.
Yes.
Everything, so we can try everything and we can tell you guys if it's worth it.
Yes, exactly. Lots of fun Vegas content coming up on this channel over the next few weeks and months. We also have our old video we made of the top 10 things to do in Vegas besides partying and drinking. So you guys might like that video. There's some fun things we share there.
I hope you guys enjoy seeing the Wynn with us, exploring every single corner and seeing through our eyes.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot going on here. I feel like we only scratched the surface.
Right.
There's still plenty of little, like we were actually just walking through the casino and we're like, wait, we've never been down this hallway and discovered a whole other area. So lots going on here. We love the Wynn, we love the Encore. And we'll see you guys in our next video. So long, travel well, and
make the world your neighborhood.
bye!
Bye!
Curious what camera gear we use while traveling? Want to rock some of our awesome merch? Or maybe you just want a discount with some of our favorite companies? Make sure to check out the description of this video for links to all these things and more.